Hi everyone, this is Dr. Chandramouli. Today we are going to discuss about good topic charismatic leadership and Auvayar Modurai. In my most of the videos I had compare the management concepts, leadership, decision making, motivation, stress management, emotional intelligence. So lot of things I compare with Indian management thought like Tirukural, Bhagavad Gita, Mudurai, even Ramayana also. This video I am going to match charismatic. It is one type of leadership styles that I match with the Mudurai on Venbar. Everyone have the doubt how we can match, how we can learn. Of course, our Indian management wisdom, especially Tirukural, Bhagavad Gita, like Avayar, Panchatantra. So these are all the various Indian literature, especially Tamil literature, had lot of sources which is 100% match with management concepts. Especially about the leader, if you want to read something from the Western management, thus comparing with Indian management wisdom, if you take the sources from the Tirukural, that weightage is more comparing with the Western management thoughts. Because each and every Kural, Tiruvallur has suggested about the leadership concepts very clearly more than 2000 years before. Likewise, even Avayar also has given a lot of things what we have to practice in our daily life, like a life skills, even in our organization, how we have to behave, and what all things we have to improve in the quality, everything we don't want to learn from the Western management thoughts. A lot of things are there, more number of authors are there, more number of authors are researched and given a lot of definitions and theoretical presentations are there in Western management. Of course, I salute over that. But at the same time, instead of searching over the theoretical concepts from the Western management thought, if you had learned something from the Indian literature, especially from the Tamil literature like Tiruvallur, Tirukural, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita and Mudurai, lot of references is there, lot of sources is there. We can get more sources, we can do lot of literature survey from our Indian management thought comparing with Western management thought. It's my suggestion, that's all. This topic we are going to discuss about the charismatic leadership concepts. What is charismatic leadership? I just give one course which is given by Western management. I want to start with Western management because lot of Western management authors has given excellent course which is 100% related to the management concepts. Lee Aikako is one of the greatest scholar who are given a good course which is related to the charismatic. Motivation is there. Motivation is everything. You can do the work for two people. Anybody can do the work for two people. But you can't be two people. You can't be two people. Instead, you have to inspire the next guy down the line and get him to inspire his people. That is a quote given by. What is the explanation from this? No, we can work. Two of them can work. Work of two people we can do. We can do the work of 10 people, but we can't be a 2 people or a 10 people. Instead of that, we can follow. We can inspire of someone, we can accept some leadership or some people in our mind and we have to behave like this. What I told you in the personality video about the personality traits, big personality, that may happen. The charismatic is also like that. I can give another example for that. Most of the cine industry actors, MGR, Shivaji Ganeshan, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Kamala Hassan, Rajinikanth, Ajit, Vijay, everyone if you take, those who are the fan of all these celebrities, they themselves think that they are Vijay, they are Ajit, they are showing, they are doing what they are doing in the scene, what they are doing in the screen, they are doing naturally in the home or in the working place. They think themselves as a Vijay, they think themselves as a Ajit, and they are doing all the activities what they are doing in the screen. How it is happening? It is only because the fans are having 100% love and affection over the one particular celebrities. If you go and ask who is your leader, who is your Talaivar, they will tell immediately Rajinikanth is your Talaivar. How it is happened? There is no the blood relationship among the Rajinikanth or a follower. But why this guy always telling Rajinikanth is a Talevar is 100%. What is the thing is, what Rajinikanth is doing is love and affected and successfully accepted by the fans, and the fans also treat the Rajinikanth as a Talevar. It's of course everyone, even me also one of the fan of Kamal Haasan, even me also one of the fan of Vijay. So everyone is a fan of someone. Somebody be a fan of father. If father doing something, the kid also following the same, copying the thing. That is called charisma, charismatic leadership concept. What is charismatic means? The people are considered as a graceful and virtuous. When the people are considered as a graceful, that people we consider as a charismatic person. It may be a charismatic leader, charismatic father, charismatic mother, charismatic anything, even a friend also if you take. If you like anyone, you want to behave like themselves in the absence of the particular person. The idea of using one charisma and the influence in order to lead is not exactly the new way of looking at the leadership, although the theories is also around rather than. How it is happening, it is only because of the three concepts. The self-interest, that is first thing. The second one, fearness, there is no chance of the fearness. The third one is habit. So these are all the three important roots which happens to be molded as a charismatic happen. Okay, sir, you understand. This is the explanation I can give for the charismatic from the Western management thought. What is the real exact meaning for the charisma? But what Avvaiyar told in Mudurai, that also we have to see. Avvaiyar told how many years before, we can't imagine. But he had given excellent information by giving a small story in one particular Venba within a 4 lines. I'll tell that what is that Venba. The Venba number 14. What is a Venba, you know? Kana Mayilada கண்டிருந்து வான்கோழி தானும் அதுவாக பாவித்து தானும் தன் பொல்லா சிறகை விரித்து ஆடினார் போலும் கல்லாதான் கற்ற கவி. See that each and every line is a self-explanatory. It's not a toughest Tamil. Each and every line is self-explanatory. First 2 lines everyone know. Often we in a cine field, even in the dialogues also, we hear this particular 2 line. காண மயிலாட கண்டிருந்த வான்கோழி தானும் அதுவாக பாவித்து தானும் தன் பொல்லா சிறகை விரித்து ஆடினார் போலும் கல்லாதான் கற்ற கவி. What is the explanation for this particular one? No, when the peacock is dancing in a particular forest, the turkey, what we call them as a vankori turkey, by seeing the peacock, they themselves think that they are also looking, turkey is also looking good, and the turkey also open the feathers and start doing dancing by copying the peacock. That is called what? Charisma over that they themselves treating that they themselves acting like one particular personality. An illiterate person who is writing a poem pretending to be the learned bird is of course like a turkey, how it is pretends to be the peacock, spreading its ugly wings and trying to dance. How it is happening? Turkey, you know, comparing with the peacock feather, turkey feather is 100% ugly. But that time, when peacock start doing dancing, by seeing the peacock dance, the turkey themselves stand up and start doing and open the ugly feather and dancing. This is called observation towards the charismatic leadership concepts. This was clearly given by Avvaiyar in the particular Venba. So this Venba is 100%. I can give the example. Most of them are telling how you are behave like a Vijay, how you are dance like a Vijay, how you are dance like a actor Ajit, how you are dance like actor Rajinikanth. Why? Because that particular fan having a love and affection over one particular person. The person may be an actor, the person may be a father, the person may be a friend, the person may be a teacher, person may be any personality. That personality, once you have a very good bridge over them through love and affection, that will change you as a charismatic power. That charisma in the sense, let them change. You obey simply out of the socialism of the particular authority. This was clearly given in the charismatic leadership. If you want to read the charismatic leadership, it will be looking very more, because it's one type of leadership only. There is lot of leadership styles. Is there autocratic, bureaucratic, transformational, transactional? Likewise, this leadership, why I had chosen, Avvaiyar has given this particular Venba which is 100% matched with the charismatic leader. That is the reason I choose this particular charismatic leadership as a topic for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me see with another video with the proper comparison with the Indian literature, especially from Tamil literature like Atichudi, Mudurai, Tirukkural, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. I hope you enjoy this. Please share this. I would like to thanks all you people who are giving a 100% support to me. I request you to continue the same support. Please share this particular video to all your friends. Please subscribe this channel. We will see with the next video with a good topic. Thank you very much.